In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful tutorial on how to fix buzzing sound in your Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's begin. First of all, we need to bring up our control panel. How we can do so, here at the bottom search bar, type for control panel or panel alone. So in my case, I will only type for panel. Once you have typed it, please wait until you'd be able to see a best match, which is a control panel system before we continue. Once it's here, please navigate to the right side. You can see they're open. Click on that one. The moment you've clicked on it, eventually you would be able to bring up a control panel window here in your PC. So here you need to change the view like this. So go with view by, click on this down arrow key and go with large icons. Once set, you need to proceed to this option or a computer settings called sound. So in my case, it is being placed here at the first column next to programs and features. Click on this one. The moment you click on that one, you'll be able to see the small window called sound, where here you need to proceed with the recording. And here you'll be able to, you need to select your recording device. Okay, once you've selected it, please make a right click and go with properties. So here at the properties, in the microphone properties, there you can see four options or sections, which are general, listen, levels, and advanced. Go with listen, and here at the listen to this device, the main reason why you face an error, which is the buzzing sound, is that you have checked this device. You have checked this one, listen to this device. So it is very important to uncheck it. Once you've unchecked it, go with apply and then OK. Click on apply and then OK. Close the window and your problem will be fixed. Okay? So that's it. If you think this video had helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.